Hello, and welcome to a tutorial on the Enterprise Data Dissemination Informatics Exchange, or Eddy. This video will cover how to create a chart as well as how to examine and understand that chart. This video assumes that you already know how to navigate menus and to select a dataset and create a table within Eddy. For the purposes of demonstration, we will select the All Datasets group in the first menu labeled Select a Group. For the second menu labeled Select a Category, we will select Cancer Incidence. Next, we select a geography from the third menu. This can be county, state, municipality, district, region, or county-state combined depending on previous selections. Charts can only be created from select geographic groups and for certain datasets. We have selected county-state. In the fourth and final menu, you select the way you wish to have your data presented. We will select Chart. For more details on creating tables or maps within Eddy, please watch our other instructional videos. Now that we have made our selections, we may either proceed to the next page by clicking the Next button or start over by clicking the Reset Selections button. We are satisfied with our selections and will hit Next to continue with our demonstration. After selecting Next, we see several new menus to interact with. The menus will be a little different depending upon the dataset selected, but they all function in a similar manner. Note, the menus are numbered for your convenience, and if at any point you want to know more about a particular menu, simply click the title of a menu and a help page will appear with an explanation of that menu. You can also navigate back to the first Eddy page by clicking Home in the upper left breadcrumb trail of the page, or the Eddy logo at the top of the screen. The first menu is labeled Primary Site or Type. Note there are two menu boxes associated with Primary Site or Type. This is because the two menus are interactive. By making a selection in the first box, the second box will offer different selections. We will select 23 primary sites, and for the second menu, we will select all cancers. For the next menu labeled County State, we will select Pennsylvania. The third menu is also interactive. In the first box, we will select 5. In the lower box, we will use the Select All checkbox. This is located just above the menu items. Note that by clicking this checkbox, all options in the menu are now selected. The rest of the numbered menus we will leave as the default selections. However, for the Chart Settings menu, we will uncheck the Show Table Below Chart option. Also, for the Select Chart Type, we can choose how the chart will be presented. Here we can choose either vertical bars or trend lines. For our demonstration, we will select Trend Line. Please note that as we continue to add to Eddy, more chart options may be added over time. To create a chart, after making all selections, click the Create Chart button. If you wish to start over, click the Reset Selections button. After your chart is generated, the focus should automatically move down to your chart. If the output is not quite what you wanted, simply change the appropriate menu choices and click the Create Chart button again. Now that you have created a chart, there are a few things to notice to better understand it. The first is the title and subtitle of the chart. These display the selections we made above. You will also notice the date the chart was created in the upper right. The legend is displayed below the chart. Finally, there are footnotes at the bottom of the chart explaining missing values, limitations, or other information pertaining to a particular chart. As for the chart itself, the data presented will be by rate versus years based on your selections. When hovering over a point on a line, the rate for that particular point will display in a pop-up window. As with other report types, you can export your chart. All export options are shown when you click the floppy disk with green arrow symbol at the top of the chart in the gray divider bar, although it should be noted that CSV or comma delimited and pipe delimited text file will not produce good results for viewing chart data. Those options are present by default in our system since tables are the primary focus for Eddy. The export options that work best for a chart are a PDF document, Excel spreadsheet, or Word document. Click the appropriate format you wish to use, and if prompted by your browser, make a selection to either open or save the file. Remember, you can always return to the first page to select a new dataset by clicking Home in the breadcrumb trail or the Eddy logo at the top of the screen. We are still in the process of adding modules, datasets, and functionalities to the Eddy system. If you wish to contact us or to provide feedback, please click the appropriate hyperlink at the bottom of the page. We hope that you find Eddy to be a useful resource. Thank you.